Hey guys, it's me, TabbyCat22. I finally got my account back. I actually forgot the password, knowing me. And then it took like a really long time just to get it back. Because didn't really try. But yeah, I got my hair cut. I dyed it a lot. Yeah, I got it cut with some short layers. So yeah, subscribe and go to my other channel, TabbyCat22 is Tabby. That's a really good one too. And then go subscribe to So Sweet Charms. That's me and my friend's clay channel. We make a bunch of stuff. And if you want, like, I made these, they're earrings, not gauges. I wish. So yeah, subscribe. And leave in the comments down below questions. If you want to ask me, I'll do it. Ask TabbyCat22. Yeah, ask Tabby. Because I'm Tabby. Peace, see you guys later.